Subscribe now. Ever find yourself squinting at your phone screen outdoors? Let me introduce you to the POCO X6 5G's 1.5K AMOLED display. Sick of sluggish phones during gaming or scrolling? With Snapdragon 7's Gen 2 and up to 20GB RAM, it's lightning fast. Do you struggle with blurry pics at night? The 64MP OIS triple camera helps you capture stunning shots. Tired of your phone dying on you midday? With a 5100 mAh battery, this phone is built to keep going. Worried your phone won't survive a drop? The Corning Gorilla Glass Victus has your back. Do your movies sound flat on your phone? With dual stereo speakers and Dolby Atmos, enjoy every detail. Tired of fumbling with Face Unlock in low light? The in-display fingerprint is quick and reliable, running out of RAM on heavy apps. The POCO X6 can expand to 20GB with virtual RAM. Want a phone that turns heads? The sleek mirror black design makes you feel like a boss. So, ready to upgrade to the POCO X6 5G? Don't sleep on this deal. Grab yours now.